Hey traders, welcome back. We're now at part 3 of the price action basic series. In this video, I want to talk to you on finding higher probability levels for our entries. Okay, so what exactly is a higher probability level? It's a level that lets you enter on a small risk in order to achieve a bigger reward. Okay, simply said, on a trend, this area here would be the ideal level for us to re-enter this area as well. Why is it a higher probability level? Because when you enter right on the pullback here on the turn, you may use a tight stop loss in order to get a bigger reward, okay? A bigger reward to risk ratio. Okay, so what are we going to look for at this area? It's a level on the left side. Okay, be it a support and resistance or a supply and demand level. RBR stands for rally based rally. RBD is rally based drop. Okay, DBD is drop based drop, and DBR is a drop based rally. Let's take a look at this area here. Okay, we have a rally base drop. This is where we draw our rectangles. You see how the wick pierced through it slightly and quickly bounced off and reversed. Okay, when you enter a sell trade at this area, your stop loss would have to be above the highs here, and you can get at least a 2-to-1 trade out of this move. Okay, so this is considered a high probability move. Okay, because we entered right at the tip of the pullback of a turn in a downtrend, and that's the opposite for an uptrend. Okay, let's analyze this move here. In a confirmed uptrend, we'll be looking for a place to enter into the longs. Okay, this time we'll use a support and resistance level where previous resistance becomes future support. Okay, essentially the rectangles and the lines are just zones. Okay, it will not hold to the very pip, and therefore you need to set your stop loss wide enough for it to withstand the whipsaw or the noise. Okay, let's look at this level here. We have a downtrend, and we have here a drop, base drop. Okay, and this area here is ideal for us to get into the shorts again. Okay, and your stop loss would need to be either above here, the rectangle, or to be safer above the swing point here. And this also coincides with the horizontal line. Support, broken, resistance, resistance. Okay, so this is the third thing we look for. Number 1 is direction. Number 2 is knowing the kind of phase we're in. And number 3 is entering on these higher probability levels. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, and with enough practice, you should be able to draw your own rectangles. Okay, and that's the end of part 3. Yeah.